Let's view the system communication and data flow as the event server views and manages alarms. In this scenario, an event triggers an alarm somewhere in the building, and the alarm appears on the Alarm tab in the Smart Client. First, the Smart Client requests an alarm list from the event server via TCP on default port 22331. Next, the event server retrieves the alarm list from the SQL server on port 1433 via TCP and forwards it to the Smart Client so the operator can handle the alarm. When the operator updates the alarm, the Smart Client then returns the updated data to the event server, which finally stores it on the SQL server. The bandwidth use for this task is low.